Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about a simple messaging app that I created using Gemini 3, a latest version by Google. So I got this latest version in Google AI Studio, which is available for any user. You can create for your use case or for your own usage. And here's a simple application that I created. A simple chat application which will be like completely similar to Instagram, Facebook, messaging platforms. So I just wanted one for myself. Here it is a self-hosted, and I'm just running it in my local. You can publish this as an application, as an improvised application also. So you can include many things inside. I'll just explain the coding part here. I use React for it. This is a front end. The back end, I'm using Gemini API key. So for the intelligence to answer my questions, because I didn't publish it with the other user to respond back. So there is no API or any communication involved. But it is a, intelligent AI chat application. So you can include any of the uh, you know the communication thing between two users or many users, like the regular chat application works. So you can build on your own by modifying it. Here I'll just give like three commands for it. One is npm init-y to generate a package JSON file, and npm install white with this particular package for it, and at last npm white host, so it will give you the local host address which you can run. Currently I'm using one. So this is basic, and would have seen this kind of messaging app, but what I'm trying to say is you can have this messaging application as a proper app published, like WhatsApp or any application that you wanted to try. You can try this thing, I mean modify this using this. You can build one on your own. I'll share the code in Git. You can clone it, and based on that you can modify as you want it. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Let me know if you need anything. I'll be available to answer your questions. So thank you. Bye.